For the pore analysis, we may want to break the results into different groupings. Here we're going to look at component 1 first. To break the results into different groupings, I'm going to use filter analysis. This can be found under the Measure and Analyze folder. In this example, I know that any data which is below 60 microns is going to be image noise. By using the bounding box in X, Y and Z, I can eliminate any pores below this measure. We can check the effect of the filter analysis using a volume rendering. I've applied a volume rendering to the original label field. This is for the outputted results of the pore analysis. If I now move this to the filtered results, we will see that the smallest pores have now been removed from the volume. We can now apply the filter analysis to components 2 and 3